morning, dear children. Welcome back to your online classes. In previous classes, we have learnt chapter 4, exercise 1. Today we will see chapter 4, exercise 2. So, all of you open page number 92 to your book. Yes, all of you open page number 92 to your book. Yes, exercise 2, chapter 2, chapter 4. First question is there. Count in nines on the number lines and write the number in the box. Again I am reading. Count in nines. आपको नाइन काउंट करना है. इट मीन्स नाइन का गैप होना चाहिए. ओके, यानी आपको 9 का टेबल बोलना है. डायरेक्टली वी कैन से you have to speak table of 9 step you have to jump. Okay, count in nines on the number lines and write the number in the box. 9. First of all, 9, how can we jump? ये 9. After 9, 9 1 जा 9, 9 2 जा 18. It means 18 आएगा. If you don't know table, you first of all you have to learn it table properly. 2 to 10 table you have to learn it properly for this chapter. Okay, 9 after 9 18. Okay, after 18 9 1 जा 9, 9 2 जा 18, 9 3 जा 27, 9 4 जा 36, 9 5 जा what comes 45. Good. 9 6 जा 54, 9 7 जा 63. Okay, and go on. Okay, आपको कंटिन्यू करना अगर आगे दिया. Now write 9 after 9 18, after 18 27, after 27 9 1 जा 9, 9 2 जा 18, 9 3 जा 27, 9 4 जा 36, 9 5 जा 45, 9 6 जा 54, 9 7 जा 63, 9 8 जा 72, 9 8 जा 81. Got it all of you? And 9 10 जा 90. Got it all of you? Okay, in this way you have to do question number 2 is the similar of 1, so you have to do yourself. Okay, there you have to count tens. It means you have to speak table of 10. 10 step you have to go it. Okay, now look question number 3. Complete the multiplication sentence. It means you have to learn it table properly. If you have to learn table, then you can understood well properly. Okay, 7 2 जा 14, and 2 7 जा also be a 14. So you have to understood if order will be changed in multiplication, answer will be get same. Okay, answer will be same. 7 2 ja या 2 7 ja, both are equal. Got it all of you? Now 3 8 ja, 3 8 ja, you have to speak table of 3. How many times? 8 times. 3 8 ja 24. 3 8 ja 24. या 8 3 ja. You have to speak table of 8 or how many times? 3 times. 8 3 ja 24. Both are the same. 3 8 ja या 8 3 ja. Always answer will be same. Got it all of you? 8 4 ja 32 और 4 8 ja also be a 32. Got it all of you? 6 5 ja 30 और 5 6 ja 30. Got it all of you? Okay. Now question number 4. Write the missing numbers. Write the missing numbers. First of all, you have to identify what sequence is going on. कौन सा sequence चल रहा है? 6 after 6 12. First of all, you have to speak table of 6. के 6 का table है ये. 6 1 6, 6 2 12, 6 3 18. Yes, correct. So now speak of table of 6. 6 1 6, 6 2 12, 6 3 18, 6 4 24, 6 5 30, 6 6 36, and 6 7 42. Got it all of you? First of all, you have to identify which table is going on. In this way, you have to do question number 4. Second be do yourself. You have to first of all speak 7 is there first. So you have to first of all check is it table of 7. If yes, then you have to speak table of 7. Write table of 7. Okay. Okay, now all of you open exercise 3 page number 94. Open exercise. All exercises are equal, that's why we are doing all together. Okay. Exercise 3 page number 94. Yes, open all of you. Yes. Complete the multiplication sentence. Complete the multiplication sentence. Okay, look. 9 into 0. 9 into 0. If any number multiplied by 0, always answer is 0. किसी भी डिजिट को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करने पर always we are getting 0. If 0 is there, then answer will be get 0. Got it all of you? Okay. And 10 into 1. If any number multiplied by 1 is a number itself. If any number multiplied by 1, always get the number itself. वह नंबर खुद आता है. 10 1 जा 10. Got it all of you? 8 1 जा 8. And 7 2 0. multiplied by 0, then answer will be 0. Got it, all of you? Now question number 2. Fill in the missing number. Fill in the missing number is the same of question number 1. Okay. 7 into, अगर 0 is there, then answer write 0. I told you if we are getting 0, तो नंबर मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 0, नंबर 0 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा अगर 0 है. गॉट इट? अगर नंबर इटसेल्फ then multiplied by 1. Okay, number itself then multiplied by 1, and 0 is there, then multiplied by 0. Got it, all of you? Okay, now look exercise 4, page number 95. So all of you open page number 95. All exercises are same, that's why we are doing all together. Okay, page number 95, because we have to finish our syllabus, that's why. All are easy, just only you have to learn table properly. Okay, first question is there, find the product. 5 2 जा या 2 5 जा, बोथ आर सेम. 2 का टेबल 5 टाइम्स आपको बोलना है. 2 5 जा 10, then 0 is there and 1 is there. Okay, you have to write in proper order. 3 7 जा या 7 3 जा, both are same. You have to speak table of 3. Yeah, you have to speak table of 7. 3 7 जा 21. Got it, all of you? 2 8 जा 16. Got it, all of you? Again multiply या complete the multiplication sentence, both are same. Okay, question number 2. 6 8 जा 48. Okay, 4 5s are 20. 8 3s are 8 3s are या 3 8s are, both are same. Okay, 3 8s are या 8 3s are 24. Okay, 9 1s are 9, 9 6 जा 54, 7 7 जा 49, 8 4 जा 32, 6 7 जा 42, and 6 5 जा 30. So all of you, I hope you have to understood all exercise properly. First of all, you have to learn table 2 to 10. Okay, टेबल आपको 2 से लेकर 10 तक प्रॉपरली लर्न करने हैं. Then easily you have to do this exercise properly. Okay, you have to do practice more and more. Thank you and have a nice day.